अटेंडेंस। अनिकेत के बाद नेक्स्ट कौन है? अंकुश।
Yes, ma'am.
और देन अनमोल।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो रेडी रहना, ठीक है? ओके, ठीक है अनिकेत, स्टार्ट करो। एक सेकंड, हाँ स्टार्ट करो। स्टार्ट।
मैम एक मिनट हम प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ।
मैं अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ। नहीं हो रहा।
मैम एक मिनट।
ओके ओके बेटा।
मैम नेटवर्क स्लो है शायद से, इसलिए नहीं हो रहा। मैं प्रेजेंट में आपका बटन तो बंद है, मतलब दिखा रहा है कि हो रहा है प्रेजेंट।
हो गया।
मैम हुआ क्या?
अनिकेत उत्पल ज्वाइंट।
मैम हुआ?
हाँ
हो गया।
हो गया बेटा, हो गया।
मैम पीपीटी दिख रहा है?
हाँ दिख रहा है। पर्पस।
Om Shri Sai Ram, I am Aniket Uppal and today I will explain the chapter number 3, which is purpose. So let's begin. We will discuss the following things: sustainable development goals, elements of sustainable development, the issues covered under sustainable development goals, then 17 goals to transform our world. After that, social issues may be integrated across SDGs, and at last, contribution to SDGs through evolution of technology. Sustainable development goals. Sustainable development can be defined as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This definition can be broken into the following components. First, the development that satisfies the present needs. Second, the development that will allow future generations to meet their needs. Now, the element of sustainable development. For sustainable development to be achieved, it is crucial to harmonize the three core elements. First, economic growth, second, social inclusion, and at last, environmental protection. These elements are interconnected and crucial for the well-being of individuals and societies. So, if any one of these are disturbed, then other two will also be disturbed. Sustainable Development Goals are a set of 17 goals that the nations of the world adopted at the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development in Rio de Janeiro in 2012. SDGs were adopted to meet the urgent challenges of the world covering following three dimensions. First, environmental, social, and economical. These are the three issues, urgent challenges that the SDGs are covering. Now, the issues covered under the Sustainable Development Goals are ending extreme poverty, ensuring all children receive good education, achieving equal opportunities for all, and promoting better practices for consumption and production that will help make the planet cleaner and healthier. These three issues are the most important issues that the Sustainable Development Goals cover. These are the 17 goals. Now, we will know the 17 goals that will transform our world. First goal, ending poverty in all its form everywhere. So, ending poverty is goal one, as it is the greatest global challenge which the world has accepted. It is interconnected to all the other SDGs. Now, goal two, end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Ending hunger is also important, as without food, a person cannot live and he will starve and die. That is why it is important. Now, goal three, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Without good health, a person cannot live. That is why it is also important for the persons of all ages. Now, goal 4, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Quality education is also important, as nowadays without education a person cannot get a good job, and the amount of salary he will get will be very less. Goal 5, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. Achieving gender equality is also important, as if the males only will work for the world, then half of the population is left behind, which are women and girls, and they will not get an opportunity. And the growth of the world will be reduced to half only. Now, goal 6, ensure availability and sustainable arrangement of water and sanitation for all. Clean water and sanitation is also important, as without clean water, a person will suffer from many diseases, and sanitation, and without any good sanitation system, a person will get many diseases. Now, goal 7, ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Nowadays, modern energy is very important, and it should be affordable and reliable. As if a person will get the modern energy which is very high cost and it is not reliable, then that is only waste of money. Now, goal 8, sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth. Full and productive employment, a decent work for all. Now, if there is no decent work at all, so the economic growth will be very less. That is why decent work is important, so that the economic growth should be higher. Now, goal 9, develop quality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure, including regional and trans-border infrastructure, to support economic development and human well-being with focus on affordable and equitable access for all. Goal 7, reduce inequality within and among countries. Reducing inequality within and among countries is important, as if one country is against another country, then all the other countries will be against each other. So there will be a huge war between all of them. Now, goal 11, make citizen human settlements safe, resilient, and sustainable. Human settlements should be safe, as if human settlements are not safe, then the people cannot live, and if the people will not live, the world will live in it. Now, goal 12, responsible consumption and production. Achieving economic growth and sustainable development requires that we urgently reduce our ecological footprint by changing the way we produce and consume goods and revenues. So, responsible consumption and production is important, as if the production is higher and consumption is also higher, then no stock will left. And if the production is lesser and the consumption is higher, then there will be lack of goods. That is why the production should be higher and consumption should be lesser. Goal 13, taking urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. The most common climate change is global warming, which is seen everywhere. So we should take urgent action to combat the global warming. Goal 14, life below water. The world's ocean, the temperature, chemistry, currents, and life-driven global system that make Earth habitable for humankind. Life below water is important, as the aquatic animals and plants are also part of our ecosystem. Now, goal 15, life on land. Protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems. Ecologically manage forests, combat desertification, halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. We all human and animals live in land, so we should protect it so that we can live there, live in land. Now, the second last goal is goal 16. Promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, inclusive institutions at all levels. Peace is one of the most important things, as if there is no peace, there will be many wars, and justice should be, and there should be justice, and if there is no justice, then the weaker person will not get the opportunity to raise their voice. So now the last goal, partnership for all the goals. The SDGs can only be realized with a strong commitment to global partnership and cooperation. Now, social issues can be interlinked and integrated across SDGs. Social issues are not simple. They are complex and interlinked. Isolating them or trying to deal with one issue without understanding the other interlinked issues does not help. For example, like the issue ending poverty in all its forms. Nations of the world have accepted this as the greatest global challenge restricting sustainable development, and as such made it a goal 1. As I said earlier, goal 1 is the greatest global challenge. But almost all the other SDGs are linked to it. For example, without addressing poverty, we cannot address the issue of hunger, which is known as goal 2, or good health and well-being, which is known as goal 3. Absence of quality education, which is known as goal 4, increases poverty and makes it difficult to attain quality education. The interlinked and integrated nature of the SDGs are crucial importance, that the sustainable development agenda cannot be achieved without dealing with this interlinkage. Contribution to SDGs through evolution of technology. Development of artificial intelligence did not take place spontaneously. Rather, it evolved over a period of time as something that can be best termed as waves of technological advancement. It is divided into 4 waves. First wave, second wave, third wave, and fourth wave. Now we will know about the first wave. The development of the internet is regarded as the first wave. Internet is the backbone of AI technology in the sense that it allows for generation, collection, and use of data at an unprecedented rate. Data is one of the domains of AI. Now, second wave, the development of mobile internet is regarded as a second wave. This development shifted the focus towards real-time data across the world. Access to unprecedented generation, collection, and usage of real-time data changed the manner in which the AI system works and operate. The third wave, in this way, real and digital are merging through the concept of the Internet of Things, also known as IoT concept. IoT is a concept in which everything in the world is connected through appliances and sensors. For example, refrigerators, air conditioner, car, mobile phones, TV sets, etc. Also, we people are also in the third wave only. Now the fourth wave. The fourth wave is actually a prediction about the future. In this way, the development in the fields of artificial intelligence will help in creating more life, like robots and AI systems. It means that AI systems and robots will be able to do what human beings are doing today. Thank you.
Any question?
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, Pranav. अच्छा एक
Ma'am, he said that.
प्रणव एक मिनट जब मैं पूछूं ना एनी क्वेश्चन यदि किसी का क्वेश्चन है तो प्रेजेंटेशन मतलब स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट रखा करो ठीक है
ओके मैं वापस से कर दूं प्रेजेंट
वापस से कर दो हाँ उसका क्वेश्चन होगा तो तुम पीछे जाके देखना क्या क्वेश्चन है हाँ प्रणव एक मिनट अनिकेत स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करो हाँ प्रणव
मैम हुआ प्रेजेंट
हाँ बेटा हाँ आप करो स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट करो अनिकेत प्रणव क्वेश्चन पूछो
मैम स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट ही मैम नेटवर्क स्लो है इसलिए शायद से अभी तक नहीं हुआ
चलो ठीक है तुम अपना देख लो हो रहा है नहीं तो वहीं से हाँ प्रणव क्वेश्चन पूछो
मैम हो रहा है
चलो ठीक है
मैम प्रेजेंट हो
ठीक है हाँ प्रणव क्वेश्चन
अनिकेत
हाँ
जैसे तूने कहा कि हमारा कंजप्शन कम होना चाहिए और प्रोडक्शन ज्यादा होना चाहिए तो उससे तो फूड का वेस्टेज भी होगा ना
नहीं मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे प्रोडक्शन अगर ज्यादा हो और कंजप्शन कम हो इसलिए बेटर रहेगा क्योंकि थोड़ा स्टॉक रहेगा अगर कुछ लैक ऑफ गुड्स ना हो इसलिए जैसे कुछ डिजास्टर आ गया ऐसा आकर पड़ गया तो उसके लिए वो ज्यादा मतलब काम आएगा इसलिए मैंने
थैंक्स
ओके एनी क्वेश्चन
नो मैम
चल नेक्स्ट
नो मैम
नो क्वेश्चन
प्रेजेंटिंग स्टॉप कर दूं
हाँ प्रेजेंटिंग स्टॉप कर दो नेक्स्ट अंकुश सॉरी गुड वेरी गुड
यस मैम
स्टॉप हो गया
हाँ बेटा हो गया गुड अनिकेत वेरी गुड प्रेजेंटेशन यस अंकुश अच्छा ये सेंड भी कर देना मुझे सब लोग पता है ना सेंड भी करना है मेल करेंगे सब लोग
मैंने आपको ईमेल कर दिया बोला था कल
ठीक है और ना मेल करना व्हाट्सएप मत करना
मैम प्रेजेंट हुई क्या
हाँ मैम स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो रही है
चैप्टर 3 एआई पर्पस
अच्छा एआई पर्पस से इसका भी ठीक है
Sustainable Development Goal. These are goals that mean different things to different people in different situations. That can be broken that it satisfies the present needs of all peoples. And there are 17 Sustainable Development Goals which should be completed at 2013 due to agenda, the map of world we seek. These are the 17 development goals. Number 1, no poverty. No poverty means ending poverty for all people and in all forms. And it should be completed in 2030. This involves targeting the most vulnerable, increasing basic resources and services, and supporting communities affected by conflict and climate-related disasters. Second, zero hunger. Zero hunger. It pledges to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. And it is the priority of the World Food Program. Every day, World Food Program and its partner work to bring us closer to zero hunger world. good health and well-being. It ensures healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. It is important because if we will be healthy, then we can do more and more things. Quality education. It ensures inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. Number 5, gender equality. Gender equality is when people of all genders have equal rights, responsibilities, and opportunities. Everyone is affected by gender inequality: women, men, trans, and gender diverse people, children, and families. Societies that value women and men as equal are safer and healthier. Gender equality is a human right also. Affordable and clean energy. Renewable energy solutions were becoming cheaper, more reliable, and more efficient every day. Our current reliance on fossil fuels is unsustainable and harmful to the planet, which is why we have to change the way we produce and consume energy. Implementing these new energy solutions as fast as possible is essential to counter climate change, one of the biggest threats to our own survival. Decent work and economic growth. Economic growth is an increase in the production of economic goods and services compared from one period of time to another. Traditionally, aggregate economic growth is measured in terms of gross national product (GNP) or GDP. Ninth, industry innovation and infrastructure. Infrastructure and innovation are crucial drivers of economic growth and development. Promoting sustainable industries and investing in scientific research and innovation are all important ways to facilitate sustainable development. Reduce inequalities. SDG calls for reducing inequalities in income as well as those based on age, disability, race, ethnicity, origin, religion, or economic or other status within a country. Sustainable cities and development. The world population is constantly increasing. To accommodate everyone, we need to build modern, sustainable cities for all of us to survive and prosper. We need new intelligent urban planning that creates safe, responsible consumption and production. Sustainable consumption and production is about promoting resource and energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure, and providing access to basic services, green and decent jobs, and a better quality of life for all. Climate action. Climate action means stepped up effort to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and strengthen re- resilience and adaptive capacity to climate induced impacts, including climate related hazards in all countries. Integrating climate changes measures into national policies, strategies, and planning, and improving education. 14. Life below water. Conserve and sustainable use of oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. Healthy oceans and seas are essential to our existence. They cover 70% of our planet, and we rely on them for food, energy, and water.
नेक्स्ट।
मैम लोड नहीं हो रही है, नेट थोड़ा स्लो चल रहा है।
ओके ओके।
Life on land. Sustaining life on land means preserving and restoring terrestrial biodiversity and ecosystems, such as forest, wetlands, grassland, drylands, and mountains, by halting deforestation, fragmentation, and overgrazing, and reversing desertification and land degradation. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. Partnership for the goals. Strengthen the means of implementation and revitalize the global partnership for sustainable development. Goal 17 in action. Explore the targets. The global goals can only be met if we work together. How AI help to achieve SDGs. AI can support the achievement of 128 target across all SDGs, but it may also inhibit 58 targets. Notably, AI enables new technologies that improve efficiency and productivity, but it may also lead to increased inequalities among the within countries, thus hindering the achievement of 2030 agenda. First and second wave of AI. However, first wave AI doesn't perceive facts, doesn't learn new rules, and it doesn't do well in dealing with the unknown. Second wave AI is statistical learning program or machine learning. This software automates pattern recognition based on statistical probabilities. Third wave. The third wave is deep learning. This manifests in so-called perception AI relating to our human perception system, including sight, hearing, touch, and so on. We see this when we encounter speech recognition and image recognition. Fourth wave, autonomous AI. Building of the first three waves, fourth wave will integrate everything and give machines the ability to sense and respond to the world around them, enabling AI to move and act productivity. Thank you.
Okay, next, Anmol. Very good, very good. Next, Anmol. अनमोल है अनमोल
मैम क्लास में तो है।
मैम क्लास
में है।
वो ना
क्लास में है।
वो ऑन रख के करके चला गया, उसको पता नहीं है।
मैम वो किसी भी क्लास में जवाब नहीं देता है मैम।
ठीक है, इसको अनमोल को मैं फिर यहाँ पे 0 मार्क्स कर देती हूँ।
मैम
हाँ जी
मैंने आपको मेरी पीपीटी का ईमेल भेज दिया है मैम।
कौन बोल रहा है?
मैम प्रखर।
ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट अनमोल के बाद आर्यन।
आपको कल मेल कर दी थी अपनी पीपीटी।
ओके ओके
यस मैम, मैंने
मेल कर दी थी।
ठीक है ठीक है। ओके, नेक्स्ट कौन है? आर्यन।
मैम वो क्लास में नहीं है शायद।
आर्यन है। आर्यन प्रेजेंटेशन रेडी है? अच्छा, अनमोल के बाद किसका आता है? रोल नंबर 5 के बाद फर्स्ट अखिल, सेकंड अनिकेत, थर्ड अंकुश, फोर्थ अनमोल और फिफ्थ
अरमान।
अरमान
अरमान
अरमान एब्सेंट है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आर्यन।
मैम
आर्यन तुम्हारा कौन सा रोल नंबर है बेटा? 6
है।
ठीक है आर्यन, रेडी हो?
यस मैम, स्टार्ट करूं?
हाँ, मैं एक मिनट अपने आप को म्यूट कर दूं।
मैम स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो रही है? मैम स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो रही है क्या?
हो रही है हो रही है।
हाँ हो रही है। मैम सॉरी मैम, जल्दी
ये भी आर्टिफिशियल पर्पस, सब पर्पस पे बनाया क्या सबने प्रेजेंटेशन? अच्छा, किस किसने पर्पस पे बनाया जरा चैट।
मैंने भी पर्पस पे ही बनाई है।
ओके,
मैम,
किस किसने
मैंने भी।
पर्पस? ला सबने पर्पस पे बना दिए।
मैम
अच्छा, जिस जिसने पर्पस
मैंने एक साइड पे बनाया है।
मैंने 4 चैट को
मैंने भी एक
मैंने एक साइड पे बनाया।
अच्छा, जिस जिसने
बनाया।
वेट वेट अरमान आर्यन, सो वेट। अच्छा, जिस जिस पे बनाया ना वो चैट बॉक्स पे लिख दो किस किसने किस पे बनाया है, ठीक है? आर्यन स्टार्ट करो।
मैम 2 मिनट मैम।
ओके बेटा।
मैम लिख देता हूँ पहले पर्पस ना।
मैम आपने तो कहा था बस 5 मिनट मिलेंगे प्रेजेंट करने के लिए, लेकिन 10-10 मिनट लगते हैं कभी कभी।
हाँ, 10
Yes,
मिनट
ma'am.
प्रेजेंट हो रही है।
मुझे भी लग रहा है 10 मिनट चाहिए लगेंगे, 5 मिनट्स में नहीं हो पाएगा, 2-3 स्लाइड्स ही हो पाएंगी, कोई है ना। ठीक है, 10 मिनट्स ले लेते हैं।
यस मैम। मैम प्रेजेंट हो रही है क्या?
यस बेटा।
मोबाइल के लिए
12:30 हुई है, 10 मिनट्स 12:40 तक हम इसका आरएन का देखेंगे, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में नेक्स्ट देखेंगे। ठीक है, हाँ
स्टार्ट
आरएन,
करूँ?
हाँ स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पर्पसेस. Hello students. Hello. Today we are start to discussing about the purposes of AI artificial intelligence. First, we learn what is sustainable development goals. One of the most frequently used definition of sustainable development is sustainable development is the development that meets the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. This definition can be broken to the following components: the development that satisfy the present needs, the development that will allow future generation to meet their needs. Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are the set of 17 goals that are nation of the world adopted at the United Nations Conference of on Sustainable Development. क्या हो गया? In Rio de Janeiro in 2012, the SDGs were adopted to meet the urgent challenges to the world, covering following three dimensions: environmental, social, economical. These issues covered under the Sustainable Development Goals including ending extreme poverty, issuing all children receive good education, achieving equal opportunity for all, promoting better practices to consumption and production that will help make the planet cleaner and healthier. The 17 sustainable goals, development goals are: Goal 1, end poverty in all its form everywhere. Goal 2, end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Goal 3, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Goal 4, ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunity for all. Goal 5, achieve g- gender equality and em- empower all women and girls. Goal 6, ensure abilities and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. Goal 7, ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Goal 8, promotes sustainable, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Goal 9, development quality, reliable, sustainable, able, and resilient infrastructure, including regional and trans-border infrastructure, to support economic development and human well-being with focus on affordable and equitable access for all. Goal 10, reduce inequality within and amongst countries. Goal 11, make cities and human settlements safe, resilient, and sustainable. Goal 12, responsing consumptions and production, achieving economic growth and sustainable development require that we uh, arrange we reduce our economical footprint by changing the way we produce and consume goods renewed. Goal 13, take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. Goal 14, life below water. The world's ocean, their temperature, systematic current, and life-driving global system that make Earth habitable to humankind. Goal 15, life on land. Protect, restore, and promote sustainable use to terrestrial economical, ecological management forest, combat desertification, health and reverse land degradation, and held biodiversity laws. वही तो नहीं है। Goal 6, promote peaceful and inclusive society for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, the build efficiently, accountable and inclusive instruction at all levels. Partnership for all the goals. The SDGs can only be released with the strong community of global partnership and consumption. The complexity of society issues. Social issues may be interlinked and interacted across SDGs. Social issues are not simple. They are complex and interlinked. Isolating them or trying to deal with one issue without understanding the other interlinked issue does not help. For example, the issue of ending poverty is all its form. Nations of the world have accepted this as the greatest global challenge, restricting sustainable development, and as such made in a goal 1. But almost all the other SDGs are linked to it. For example, without addressing poverty, we can not address the issue of hunger. Goal 2 are good health and well-being. Goal 3, essence of quality education. Goal 4, increasing property, and the property makes it difficult to attain quality education. I'm sorry मैम, वो जल्दी में निकाल दी। कहाँ गया?
I think network issue आ रहा है।
Sorry मैम, नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है जरा।
ओके, नो इशू, नो प्रॉब्लम। अच्छा, अरमान का जो है हम लोग फिर से लेंगे क्योंकि उसका शायद नेटवर्क इशू है और उसने मुझे पीपीटी सेंड कर चुका है। ठीक है, सो अरमान को हम लोग एक और चांस देंगे उसको करने का। आर्यन की नहीं बात कर रही हूँ मैं, अरमान की बात कर रही हूँ। आर्यन का मुझे पता है। ठीक है, आर्यन गुड, वेरी गुड। ठीक है, ओके, कोई बात नहीं। देख लिया मैंने तुम्हारी पीपीटी। मुझे पीपीटी इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ सेंड कर दो कि बाई चांस कोई बच्चा पूरा नहीं प्रेजेंटेशन दे पाता तो मैं एटलीस्ट उसका पीपीटी देख के समझ सकते हैं कि कितना उसने वर्क किया है। समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? इसीलिए मैं सबका पीपीटी, है ना। कभी जैसे टाइम ओवर हो गया या जो भी होता है या नेटवर्क इश्यू है, ऐसा बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी। सो मैं पीपीटी देख के क्या उसमें कितना अच्छा पीपीटी बनाया है उस हिसाब से मैं उसको मार्क्स दे सकती हूँ। हाँ, अरमान की मैं बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि अरमान अभी था, वो उसका नेटवर्क इश्यू है, उसने मुझे पीपीटी पहले सेंड कर चुका है। ठीक है, तो उसको हम सेकंड चांस देंगे प्रेजेंट करने के लिए। समझ में आया? ठीक है,
यस मैम।
ओके, नेक्स्ट किसका टर्न है? नेक्स्ट कौन है? नेक्स्ट क्लास में अपन डिस्कस करेंगे। नेक्स्ट कौन है? चहित।
यस मैम। मैम आर्यन के बाद तो ब्रिजेश है, फिर उसके बाद मैं हूँ मैम।
एक मिनट, ब्रिजेश।
पर ब्रिजेश कभी कोई क्लास में नहीं आता।
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे
मैम
बस
वो ग्रुप से भी लेफ्ट हो गया सर।
होगा कुछ इश्यूज का, ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्लास में तुम्हारा प्रेजेंटेशन लेंगे, ठीक है?
यस
ओके,
मैम।
सो प्रेजेंट करो और कोशिश करो कि सबके टॉपिक डिफरेंट हो।
यस मैम।
है ना?
मैम मैंने
बस
आपको
मेरा
मेल
ये
भी कर
फोर्थ
दिया है।
पेपर।
हाँ, मेल जरूर करो प्रेजेंट
मैम
करने से
कर
पहले।
दिया मैंने अभी आपको।
मैम
हाँ,
कर
मेल
दिया
करना है।
मैम, मेल तो
ठीक है,
सब
ठीक है।
यस
मैम
मैम मैंने
गूगल
भी
फॉर्म
मेल
की
कर
डेट
दिया।
कब है?
ओके
मैम,
ओके
मैंने मेल व्हाट्सएप दोनों कर दिया।
ओके।
मैम गूगल फॉर्म की डेट कब है?
गूगल फॉर्म की डेट मैं तुम लोगों को बताती हूँ, मंडे बताऊंगी कि दिस सैटरडे योर टेस्ट है, ठीक है? कौन सा यूनिट आ रहा है? 5th आ रहा है आई थिंक, है ना?
यस
यस
मैम,
मैम।
यस मैम।
एक ही यूनिट है, कर लोगे, कोई
एआई
इशू नहीं
एथिक्स।
है। एथिक्स, एआई एथिक्स एक ही है, ठीक है? चलो साई राम, नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं।
सायरा मैम।
सायरा मैम।
सायरा मैम।